CB project here done by our customer Personal Metro. Since this condominium block is going up about 50 stories, actually we are taking this from a pedestrian bridge along Old Klang Road, and I'm on the high ground here because actually at the bottom here there's a used luxury car dealer, as you can see. So having the building go up another, now it's only on the 4th story, another 46 stories. Even there's another car dealer over there. Okay. So we can anticipate a lot of things falling down. There's the car dealer there, luxury car dealer underneath here, and service center that they have. So we can anticipate a lot of things will be falling down. Hopefully they will secure the edge with our 401 safety nets, the orange color. Thank you.